Mother's Day card from your children. Yes, because I got a lovely card from my kids, my beautiful kids out the back. Hello. I received a lovely card from them this morning, guys, and today we're going for a bike ride. Yeah, spending a Mother's Day motorbike riding, and you know, quality time with a family. So yeah, so hope you you have a great day and have a fantastic day celebrating Mother's Day. Okay guys, we just got here guys in the farm. We meet our friends right here. So this is have their bike riding here. So it looks like it's gonna rain today, so I know, hopefully not, you know. The weather is not very nice today guys, and we already have a fire here. Hi. Hello, happy Mother's Day.
Dito na naman kami.
Yes, happy Mother's Day everyone. Oh my god, Charlie is asleep. He is asleep. Was that you collecting some woods?
Wow!
They're playing a football at the moment, so there's plenty of room around here for the football. Starting to have a little bit of rain shower here, so hopefully the rain will not be so strong, otherwise my god, we got no shade or nothing. Otherwise if it starts raining so strong here, we might go back inside the car. My goodness. So a bike ride later on.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Yummy pizza, huh?
And that was a cool idea.
Enjoy. I took some sausages with us, so yeah, I'm gonna try to cook it in a fire at the moment, guys. So yeah, let's go. We have some like kangaroo meat and some sausages, so I'm just gonna chuck it in the fire right now, yeah, for a sausage sizzle.
That's what we've got, Celia. Olive oil.
Forget to bring some oil.
Too hot. Bit of woods. 19. Just before the fuel, Jack.
Now there is some sausages here. Oh, the sausages is still kind of frozen.
No, I just want to higher up.
Higher up, okay.
Yeah, right.
That's a really nice cut up woods.
Perfect. Look at that, perfect.
Oh, thank you. That's perfect. Look.
Nice bits of woods.
Wow, yeah. Perfect. Kangaroo meat.
Bit of kangaroo.
Kangaroo meat. Oh, this is still frozen, babe. Is that okay?
Just put out this one, defrost.
Hey?
Just out there on here to defrost. Slowly defrost.
This one here?
Yeah, just defrost over here.
It's like a whole chunk in there.
That's alright. Won't take long.
Oh yeah, the frozen kangaroo meat still there. Alright, it's looking good at the moment, guys. Looking good. This is the fish we got last time, the herring. Yeah. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. Careful. Hello, Charlie. Hello. Oh, you're shy. You're shy. How about you? Marshmallows.
Couldn't get small ones, I get the big ones in. You gotta eat them, then recook them because they're so big.